Hello everyone, I'm Mansi and once again welcome back to our series of videos. इसके पहले वाले वीडियो से हम लोग ने एक नए टॉपिक के बारे में बात करने को चालू किया था एंड दैट वाज अबाउट द प्रोसेसेस इन द पब्लिक एरिया का क्लीनिंग. देयर आर डिफरेंट एरियाज विच comes under public area and we were looking for the processes of such areas. We will continue with the same topic in today's video. आज हम लोग बात करेंगे ऐसे कुछ पब्लिक एरिया के अंडर आने वाले एरियाज की कि जिनको क्लीनिंग करते टाइम हमें कुछ प्रोसेसेस का ध्यान रखना बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है. सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड विद आवर टुडेज टॉपिक. The area which comes under public area and that is about the staircase, सीढ़ियाँ. मे बी वो बैक एरिया की हो सकती है या फिर फ्रंट एरिया की हो सकती है. इफ दीज staircase are carpeted, proper daily vacuuming, maybe more than once in a day the vacuuming of the staircase has to be done. स्टेयरकेस के जो रेलिंग्स है उनका डेली पॉलिशिंग होना इम्पॉर्टेंट है क्योंकि बहुत से लोगों का हाथ उसके ऊपर लगता रहता है. सो इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट पॉलिशिंग ऑफ द रेलिंग हैज़ टू बी डन. इफ दीज स्टेयरकेसेस आर मेड अप ऑफ एनी हार्ड सर्फेस लाइक मार्बल के है या फिर स्टोन के है, तो ऐसे जो एरियाज है, ऐसे जो सर्फेसिस है उनका प्रॉपर मॉपिंग होना बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है. उनका मशीन स्क्रबिंग होना बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है. नॉट ओनली द फ्रंट एरिया ऑफ द स्टेयरकेस की जहाँ पे फुट एरिया ऑफ द स्टेयरकेस बट इवन द एरिया विच इज़ इन बिटवीन टू स्टेयरकेसेस. जो वर्टिकल पार्ट स्टेयरकेस का होता है उसका क्लीनिंग होना भी उतना ही इम्पॉर्टेंट है क्योंकि जो गेस्ट के शू होते हैं, स्टाफ के शूज़ होते हैं, वो एरिया से टकराते हैं एंड द एरिया में गेट डर्टी विथ द टोज ऑफ द शू. So it is even important that the vertical area of the staircase is been cleaned properly. Then as I said, जो रेलिंग है उनको भी क्लीन करना है. Even in some staircases you will find small hinges, there will be small lines which are there, so those lines even need to be cleaned with the upholstery brush. Even if it is a hard surface, the polishing of the staircase has to be done time to time. So these are small things, but the most important thing which we all need to remember when we are cleaning the staircase, that whole staircase will not be clean at a time. पूरा staircase हम लोग एक ही टाइम पे clean नहीं करते. The staircase should be divided into halves. एक साइड करने के बाद हम लोग दूसरा साइड क्लीन करते हैं. प्रॉपर कॉशन सिग्नेचर जो कॉशन बोर्ड्स है वो वहाँ पे लगे हुए होने चाहिए. हम लोग ऐसे करते हैं क्योंकि पूरा स्टेयरकेस अगर हम लोग एक ही साथ क्लीन करने को लेंगे सो इट कैन बी लाइक जो गेस्ट आते जाते हैं उनको हमें रुकाना पड़ेगा एंड दैट इज़ नॉट एडवाइजेबल. देयर आर इवन चांसेस दैट स्लिपरेज हैपन ऑन द स्टेयरकेस. सो हाफ the staircase is always divided into two halves and person can go from another side and at one side the cleaning can be done. The next public area which we are going to look for and that is about the guest corridor. Guest corridor ये भी एक बहुत बड़ा सेक्शन होता है, बहुत बड़ा कॉरिडोर होता है. इसको भी दो हाफ में डिवाइड करके ही क्लीनिंग किया जाता है. मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम्स ये जो गेस्ट कॉरिडोर होते हैं दोज आर बिन कवर्ड विथ अ थिक कारपेट जो वेयर एंड टेयर के लिए ज़्यादा ड्यूरेबल है क्योंकि उसके ऊपर से बहुत चीज़ें आती जाती है. फॉर एग्जांपल बहुत लोग आते जाते हैं, हम हाउसकीपिंग की ट्रॉलीज़ उसके ऊपर से चलती है, बेल डेस्क की ट्रॉलीज़ उसके ऊपर से चलती है, रूम सर्विस की ट्रॉलीज़ उसके ऊपर से चलती है. सो इट शुड बी टफ इनफ, द कारपेट शुड बी टफ इनफ कि ये सारा जो वेयर एंड टेयर है इसको वो बैलेंस कर सके, ऐसा वो कारपेट होना चाहिए. सो द वैक्यूमिंग ऑफ द कारपेट नीड्स टू बी डन properly. Then proper schedule shampooing needs to be done. If there is any stain on the carpet, a immediate stain removal process should happen. When we talk about the guest corridor, जो स्कर्टिंग होते हैं, मोस्टली दो स्कर्टिंग्स आर मेड अप ऑफ वुडन, सो दोज स्कर्टिंग्स नीड टू बी टेकन केयर वेल. जो एंड पार्ट होता है, द पार्ट वेर द स्कर्टिंग स्टार्ट्स एंड कार्पेट एंड्स, दैट part needs to be cleaned properly, that part needs to be vacuumed properly. जब वॉल्स की बात आती है, वॉल स्पॉटिंग करना इम्पॉर्टेंट है, वॉल वॉशिंग करना इम्पॉर्टेंट है ऑन अ पीरियोडिक बेसिस. व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट द फुल कॉरिडोर, as I said, it should be divided into the half, and then the cleaning has to be done, so that if the cleaning is in process, the guest can go from another side of the corridor as well. He can access through another side. The lighting fixtures which are there in the corridor, those need to be checked properly. If they are working properly, if they are not working properly, then the electrical bulbs or whatever the fixture is there, that has to be replaced by the maintenance department. So the lighting fixtures also needs to be taken care. Even there are railings in the corridor, unka cleaning hona bhi important hota hai. If there is a atrium lobby, there is a glass covering for the corridor mein glass hote hai, so that glass also needs to be cleaned properly with the glass cleaner and proper dusters and everything. So that also need to be taken care. If there are any indoor planters in the corridor, उनका भी वाटरिंग होना बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है. ऐसे नहीं होना चाहिए कि उनके सूखे पत्ते कॉरिडोर में पड़े हैं, कोई उसको उठाने के लिए है नहीं. नो, दैट नीड्स टू बी टेकन केयर बाय द हाउस कीपिंग विद द कोऑर्डिनेशन विद हॉर्टिकल्चर डिपार्टमेंट. नेक्स्ट इज अबाउट पब्लिक एरिया रेस्टरूम. रेस्टरूम का जो क्लीनिंग प्रोसेस है, दैट वी हैव ऑलरेडी सीन, बट व्हेन इट कम्स टू पब्लिक एरिया रेस्टरूम, द पर्सन हैज़ टू बी मोर विजिलेंट, बिकॉज नॉट ओनली द गेस्ट हु आर स्टेइंग विद द होटल, इवन the outside people who just come to dine in the restaurant or in the coffee shop, they even can use the restroom which is there in the public area. So it should be cleaned properly at any point of time. It should be spick and span. Then second is about the air freshener needs to be spread, the lemongrass oil, like any diffuser if there, mostly lemongrass has been used in the diffusers. So the diffusers should be properly working in that particular public area restroom, because that is the restroom which is quite often in use by the guest. So that has to be done. Any toiletries which are there, any linen which is there, that has to be replaced on timely basis. ऐसे नहीं कि वो ख़त्म होने तक हम लोग उसकी राह देख रहे हैं, नहीं. There should be spare enough in the restroom when you're looking after for the restroom. For an example, अगर वहाँ पे tissues है, तो tissue box empty होने तक हमें राह नहीं देखनी है. We have to be very much vigilant that if it is going below the half capacity of that tissue box, again we have to replenish them. The diffuser candles has to be lightened up on timely basis. The face towels, hand towels which are there in the restrooms, that needs to be stocked properly. So these are the things which a public area attendant has to take care. Then it's about banquet halls. Banquet halls एक ऐसी जगह जहाँ पे बड़े बड़े functions होते हैं and many people gather at that place. They can be carpeted, they can be made up of hard flooring. So according to that, जैसे फ्लोरिंग है वैसे उसका मेंटेनेंस होना बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है. When this was about the flooring, the tables, chairs needs to be maintained well. If anything out of that is broken, that has to be taken care well. उनके जो टेबल क्लॉथ्स है, चेयर कवर्स है, उनका जो लॉन्ड्री साइकिल है वो भी प्रॉपर होना बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है एज पर द फंक्शन, क्योंकि ये सेटअप चेंज होते रहते हैं. इफ़ इन द बैंक्वेट हॉल देर इज़ एनी audio visual system which is there installed in the banquet hall, that needs to be checked properly with the coordination of the maintenance department कि वो properly चल रहा है या नहीं. There should not be a case कि end moment पे वो चल नहीं रहा है and then we realize okay we need to check that as well. No, that should not be the case. That is also important to be checked on a proper interval basis. And even the cleaning of that particular gadget is also very important. Then it's about the dining room or the restaurants which are there. Same as the banquet halls, the floor has to be taken care, the tables has to be taken care, the cleaning of the table, not only the top of the table, even the legs of the table, even the rod which is there needs to be taken care. The upholstered material which has been used for chairs, sofas, that needs to be cleaned properly. If there are any stains, that needs to be shampooed properly. The lighting fixtures needs to be clean. If in many restaurants or in many dining areas you will find a very good chandelier setup is there, then that chandelier also needs to be taken down and clean on a regular interval basis, like a periodic cleaning. The blinds, the lowers which are there in the restaurants, those needs to be cleaned on a daily basis. So these are very small things which are need to be taken care when the cleaning of the particular public area is concerned. Then it's about the leisure areas, like you have health clubs, we have swimming pools, we have spas. When we talk about the health club, the flooring of the health club needs to be taken care properly. There should not be any greasy stains, any material from which a person can slip. So it should be anti-skid material for the flooring. Even the floor has to be taken care well. Even the equipments which are there in the health club needs to be cleaned well, damp dusted on everyday basis. Those equipments needs to be disinfected properly, because many people use those equipments for the gym purpose of them. So the disinfection of these equipments is also very much important. The glass surface, mostly you will find there are big mirrors in a health club, so that those mirrors, those glass surfaces need to be properly cleaned in each and every shift. And if you see any finger marks, any smudges on the glass, you have to clean it immediately. The shower area which is there in the health club, that also needs to be taken care very well, as you take care of clock room, or you take care of the bathroom area which is there in the room. Those things needs to be taken care properly. How we do it for the guest room, the same way we have to do it for the shower area which is there in a health club as well. Moving ahead about the swimming pool. When swimming pool is concerned, इसका भी periodic cleaning होता है. When the full water has been emptied, the floor of the swimming pool is clean, the wall of the swimming pool are properly clean. अगर वो open area में होते हैं जब swimming pool, हो सकता है कि आजू बाजू में अगर garden है तो उसके पत्ते वगैरह उसमें गिर सकते हैं. So that needs to be cleaned on a immediate basis. उनको properly immediately clean करना बहुत important है. Then it's about the periphery area which is there around the swimming pool. That area needs to be well maintained, क्योंकि वो एंटी स्लिपरी मटेरियल का होता है कि कोई स्लिप ना हो जाए उसके ऊपर से, इसलिए इट इज़ मोस्टली मेड अप ऑफ एंटी स्लिपरी. मोस्टली वो पेवर ब्लॉक्स के फ्लोर कवरिंग्स स्विमिंग पूल के आजू बाजू में होते हैं. सो स्क्रबिंग ऑफ सच एरियाज नीड्स टू बी डन. देन if there are any furnitures, damp dusting of that furniture needs to be done. Replenishment of the linen which is there on the swimming pool, like they have bath towels, they have hand towels, that has to be done. Even there are some equipments which are there, if you don't know how to swim, then there are floaters which are there available at the swimming pool. That those equipments need to be disinfected, those equipments need to be cleaned properly, so that it will be easier to the hotel staff. Even for the guest, they are pretty much sure, they are pretty much confident when they go with such equipments. So that's it for this topic. We have covered almost all the public areas which are there in the hotel. the floor has to be taken care, the walls has to be taken care, glasses, the areas which a person as a guest, when it is concerned, the person who visualize first those area needs to be properly clean and neat. क्योंकि रूम में जाने से पहले the first thing, the first area which a guest sees is the public area. So if you are successful in keeping the public area neat, clean, tidy and spick and span, sparkling clean, then you create a trust in the mind of the guest that yes, my room will be clean equivalently, even going a step ahead, it will be more clean than this. So it is very important to keep the public area very neat, very clean and tidy. That's it for this topic. We will come up with the new topic in the next video. Till then, do like to our videos, do share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching.